Hey, what's up YouTube? Today for the people that's been asking what's the difference between the of course 4-port and 6-port iron plates. This happens to be the rear irons, so we're gonna check the difference between 4-port, 6-port, and also what's the difference between automatic and stick shift, because they do okay, to start on the 4-port, we're gonna have the parts, of course. We're only gonna have 2 on the rear iron, which is gonna be 2 only. And on the 6-port, we're gonna have 3, which is 1, 2, 3. So they have 3. Let's go ahead and stand. Let's put them in side by side. Let me pause it. I'll be right back. Okay, we are back. Okay, now let's see. These 2 in here, they're the same. This one is the same. Now, the ports. Let's talk about ports. The 4 ports on the exhaust, only one is gonna be open. This one is gonna be blocked. This one is open. It's blocked. On the 6-port, of course, it's gonna be open. So this one is open and this one is open. That's the difference on the port size. On the port sides, the exhaust slips are the same. The intake, only one open, one closed on the 4. On the 6, both of them are open. So that's how it looks. Now let's switch them around. Let's see, one of you can tell the difference. Can you guys tell the difference? Okay, let's check it out. This one right here is the automatic. As you guys can see, this opening right here. You see the opening? Well, for now, let's check main on this one right here. See these 2? I'm gonna have this one in here. This one is the stick shift. See different, those ears right there. We're missing on that one. Why? Because the stick shift has this thing right here, and it has a little, like a little cover. So now I'll switch around. So it looks from the top. See the opening for the stick shift, the auto. So your transmission will bolt. It will bolt in and everything. Transmission, you can swap it. That's not a problem without replacing the rear iron. Now for the oil filter housing, we can see they're the same. In here, this one of course have the heater hose removed. Oil pressure switch. This one is broken as always. Now this is the difference too. See this opening right here for the starter. And this one out. It's for a stick shift. This one right here. So that's about it. Those are the difference right there. 4-port, 6-port, and from automatic to stick shift. Now, people there that is looking to ship the rear irons, or try to ship it so they can regrind them or polish or do whatever they have to do to it, to any rotary shop. And then I know most of you have a hard time trying to ship them because of this tube right here. So the way to remove it is simple. You're gonna need a hammer. You're gonna hammer it down and it's gonna come out. Let me try to see if I can set the cell phone somewhere. So I don't know if you guys saw that. All you gotta do is hit them in here, pushing it out, and the same way push it, hammer down, up. You can go for it, don't worry about it. it won't break, and that's how you remove it. That's a little tip, a little trick. So alright guys, that's about it. Thank you for watching, thank you for your love, thank you for your comments. Like always, drop a comment below, talk shit if you want. Please do yourself a favor. If you're one of those internet geeks that think they know everything because been watching YouTube, they know how to do everything, because watching videos, but you have never replaced or never opened or rebuilt a rotary engine before, just do me a favor and shut the fuck up. Just put your mouth on your hands on one of these engines, open up. If you're gonna talk, if you're gonna say a point or anything, it's because you know what you're doing, and especially because you have done it before, not because of your friend or because of your uncle, because of your lover, or I don't care who else. If you have ever opened one and you have proofs, pictures, videos, post a link below. I'll go check it out. But it is what it is. I love all the comments. Good publicity, bad publicity, and good publicity are always good publicity. So again, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.